This is what I call a winter storm. An inch of ice, whole lot of sleet and snow, freezing rain. Our entire deck is coated with sleet and ice. So as you can see, I can go skating across my deck, as I've been doing for about the last 10 minutes. Also, our flower boxes are covered in ice. You can see they're like frozen shut. This entire hill right here is ice and sleet, enough for me to stand on. About 2 feet off the ground right here. Then I can just go sliding down. Everything is coated with ice. If it isn't, it's coated with sleet. Right here, there's supposed to be 3 steps, but the stuff is so high that it only takes 2